Hello. In the previous videos, we have covered the history of SQL Server with respect to evolution from SQL 1 to 2017. In this video, we will be covering features newly introduced in SQL Server 2017 general availability. SQL Server 2017 is a major transformation towards making SQL Server a cross-domain platform which not only provides an opportunity to work on various development languages but also gives a choice of operating systems by bringing power of SQL Server to Linux, Linux-based Docker containers, and Windows. Resumable online index gives a functionality to pause an ongoing rebuild index operation and resume it, and also takes care of the index rebuild operation in event of a failover to replica or disk out of space. The next feature is rebuild identity cache. This enables or disables identity cache on a database level. The default is on. This significantly improves the insert performance on tables with identity columns. To avoid gaps of values of identity column in case of a SQL Server unexpected shutdown or a failover, we can disable the identity cache option. Sometimes the plan chosen by the optimizer may not be the best plan for a variety of reasons. Maybe the number of estimated rows passed was not correct. In this scenario, the amount of memory granted for the particular query may be too low or too high. The adaptive query processing monitors the repetitive workload and has a feedback for the batch mode memory grant. Hence, when a similar query runs again, it understands if more memory needs to be allocated, preventing an expensive spill to the disk and hence optimizing the query. Automatic database tuning. Now, automatic database tuning is again introduced in 2017, and it basically notifies you whenever there's a potential performance issue detected and lets you apply the corrective actions or lets the database engine automatically fix the problems. Automatic tuning in SQL 2017 enables you to fix and identify and fix the performance issues caused by SQL plan choice regressions. Automatic tuning in SQL Azure databases creates necessary indexes and drops unused indexes. Scale out feature in SSIS. Integration service scale out provides a high performance package execution by distributing executions to multiple machines. It means you can submit a request for a multiple package executions in SQL Server Management Studio. These packages will be executed in parallel in a scale out mode. SSIS scale out consists of a scale out master and one or more scale out workers. The scale out master is responsible for a scale out management and receives the package execution request from the users. Scale out workers pull execution tasks from the scale out master and do the package execution work. The next is clusterless availability groups. The new availability group functionality includes clusterless support, minimum replica commit availability group settings, and Windows Linux cross OS migration and testing. SQL Server machine learning is nothing but R services renamed to reflect the support for Python in addition to the R language. Now we can use machine learning in database to learn R or Python scripts in SQL Server or install Microsoft Machine Learning Server to deploy, consume R and Python models that don't require SQL Server.